Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the RØDE Wireless GO II. This is the dual channel version of their wireless microphone system. It comes supplied in this box here. It says on the side here for USB-C devices made for iPhone, iPad and iPod. And on the back here we've got some of the main features listed, including the fact that there is a 3.5mm TRS analog output, USB-C and iOS compatible digital audio output, 2.4 GHz digital transmission and up to 7 hours of battery life. It also mentions here the box contents. On the side here, just those features listed again. So let's take a look inside the box and see what we get for our money. So here we go, this is the box contents. The first thing we'll take a look at is this neoprene pouch. It's got a Velcro enclosure there, or closure system, and just a nice soft pouch to keep both the transmitters and receiver in. So inside this bag we get a quick start guide. This is going to guide us getting everything connected and up and running. Then we also get a series of cables. So we get a nice short USB to USB-C cable. We also get another one, looks like an identical USB to USB-C cable. And we get a third one as well. And it'll become apparent in a short while why we get 3 of these cables. We also get a connection cable. This is to connect the receiver to your camera or recording device. And then in this pack here we get some little furry windshields to go on top of the microphones. And then we get the 3 units. Now these are slightly different. We've got 2 identical ones here and 1 different one here. And this one here, which has got a plastic cover over the top, this is the receiver. So this is what you're going to put on top of your camera, for example, to receive the audio signal. We've got some buttons here for dB gain and linking. On the side here it says Wireless GO II. On this side here we've got another button, and we've also got the charging port here and also the 3.5mm connection port. So you use this red cable here to go from the receiver into your camera, for example. The USB-C port is used for charging the device. Let's power this on, see if it's got any power whilst we continue talking about the system. Now I mentioned we got 3 USB to USB-C cables here, and that's to charge these 3 devices. So we've also got 2 transmitters, and these are like the microphone end of the system. So these are identical, so you could have this on one person and this on another person and record 2 people talking at the same time. Now again, these are very similar to the receiver, but these are called transmitters, and the transmitters have got USB-C on the side for charging, plain on the front, a couple of little LED lights here. It says Wireless GO II on here as well. We've got the little clip on the back, but these are slightly different in the fact that on the top end here these have got a microphone, and you can use one of these furry windshields to clip onto the microphone if you want to sort of block out some external wind noise, or you can connect an external lapel microphone as well. And then when these are powered on, they link up to the receiver unit and wirelessly transmit the audio coming from either the built-in microphone or the lapel microphone and record it to your device. The receiver pack here has got a little tiny display on. It's got the same clip, and this clip allows you to slot this onto perhaps a hot shoe on top of your camera. It's a very, very neat system, really well designed, and it allows you to improve the audio quality that you're recording alongside your videos. It's got a good range, so you can get quite a distance away from the camera. Very easy to set up, very easy to use, and extremely good audio quality. This is the RØDE Wireless GO II dual channel wireless microphone system, and I can highly recommend it. I got mine from Clifton Cameras. You can find a link to their website down in the video description, and there's also links down there to where you can purchase this in other countries as well. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.